Hello everyone, good to see you again. So now guys, if you want to learn how to do this, I don't know what it's called because I haven't seen it around, but I call it the ninja stretch. And it looks something like this. Put your feet together, and then you try to balance yourself, such as that. Now it's a little advanced, but I figured why don't I give you a few tips, especially for you beginners out there, how you can get to there. And let's just begin right away. So we will begin with step number 1. And that is getting into a butterfly stretch. So first thing you want to do is get into a butterfly stretch such as this. Now, for some people, even this might be a little bit too much. So what you can do is, based on your flexibility levels, go a little further out, such as this. See if you can reach down. As low as you can go. Once you feel it's pretty good, bring your legs just a little bit back. And keep repeating that. Until you get at least up to here. Or your feet or your heels more specifically almost go to your groin. So something like this, where you can go down like this. And the objective is try to touch your forehead to the floor. So it would look like this, slowly, slowly, and slowly. Now that doesn't work, go down, let's say you're here. You can't go anymore. Go a little bit out further, then try. And then slowly work your way up till you can get here. Now once you got that step down, we're going to go into phase number 2. And basically, same thing, but you try to bring as close as you can. Even closer. Then you're going to push down on these. While also simultaneously pushing yourself forward. So if you notice, it might push you back, but just try to keep going. Little bit by little bit. And breathe. Breathe. Really helps. One of you relax. So breathe out as you go down, breathe in as you go back up. Now for phase number 3, we're going to stand up and put our heels together. And then watch carefully what we're going to do next. So about here, then you're going to slowly bring yourself down to the ground, and then try to go like that. And then what you notice is, as you get lower, your feet normally, depending on the flexibility, will go out. But you want to just sit there and just relax. So as you notice, then back up and down, get a nice stretch. Now once you feel comfortable, you're going to bring your legs even closer together, such as this. A little bit by little bit. Until you're here and you see you're starting to notice you're developing it slowly. And the next part, you can go even lower, touching the floor. So like this. And then keep going, bring it closer and closer. Until you go all the way here. So for exercise number 4, we're going to balance it. As you see here. This pose alone is quite challenging. But if you want an even bigger stretch on top of this, you can invert your heels, such as that. Looks a little awkward, but it works. And then slowly bring it down. Stretch out your legs, and that's basically how you do it, guys. So hopefully you learned something, you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.